Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Spectrum from Retro Games Limited. The machine comes with 48 games included, and there a fair few were trick play options like, for instance, rewind and save. Wow, look at the box. It's got the actual keyboard printed on it. They've obviously spared no expense here. And there we go. Wow. That just looks brilliant. In fact, I've got an original Spectrum here to do a comparison with, and they're pretty much now identical and more or less the same size as well. They've done a really good job here, and the keys on this new Spectrum feel just like the keys on an original Spectrum. So let's have a look what else is in the box. So first of all, we've got a user guide pamphlet. Literally is a pamphlet as well, but you can go on Retro Games website and download the full manual. In fact, there's even a QR code here to take you straight to it. Then there's this a mini reproduction of a Crash magazine, and wow, this brings back memories. Last time I read Crash, I think it was just about 6 months before I transitions to an Atari ST. But this really makes me feel like I'm like 13 years old again. God, this is brilliant. So you get an HDMI cable, and a charging lead, and that's it.